In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zoho Books with a complete tutorial designed specifically for beginners in 2024. By the end of this guide, you'll have a clear understanding of the initial steps necessary to navigate and use Zoho Books efficiently. First up, we need to start with heading over to the Zoho Books website. This is your central hub from where you'll manage all your accounting tasks. Open your preferred browser and type in the URL for Zoho Books, or simply search for it using a search engine of your choice. You'll want to land on the main Zoho Books page, which is visually intuitive and easy to navigate. Once you're on the homepage, your next step is to click on the Sign In button. You can usually find this option at the top right corner of the page. Clicking here will prompt you either to enter an existing account's credentials or sign up for a new account if you haven't done so already. Zoho supports various sign-in methods, so feel free to choose the one that best suits your preferences, such as using your email or social media accounts. After signing in, you'll want to find yourself at the Zoho Books home screen. This screen is designed to be user-friendly, providing you with an overview of your account and functionalities right at your fingertips. Here, everything is organized to ensure you can access the tools and features you need without much hassle. Next, navigate to the dashboard within Zoho Books. The dashboard is where you can see a summary of your financial health, helping you to stay on top of your invoices, expenses, and cash flow. Spend some time here getting comfortable with the layout and the different metrics displayed. You'll notice sections like income and expenses, bank accounts, and other financial indicators that offer real-time insights into your business's performance. As you explore, take note of the different menu options available on the left-hand side. This section gives you direct access to functions like creating invoices, tracking expenses, and managing contacts. Each tool is crafted to help streamline your bookkeeping tasks. If you're not sure about a particular feature, Zoho often provides helpful tooltips and tutorials within the platform itself, allowing you to learn and implement new practices as needed. With these initial steps and exploration, you should now have a foundational grasp on how to begin using Zoho Books for your business needs. While this is just a preliminary dive into Zoho Books, remember that practice and regular use will enhance your efficiency and comfort with the system. Revisit specific functions, familiarize yourself with different features, and over time you'll navigate through Zoho Books with confidence and ease. Stay tuned for more detailed tutorials on specific features in the future. Happy bookkeeping!